Maes y Gwendraeth offers English literature at A-level. This means that the course centres around the teaching of texts. The 2-year course is made up of 5 units. Unit 1 and 2 will be studied in Year 12, and Units 3, 4 and 5 will feature in Year 13. The grade awarded will be based on the marks gained in all 5 units. The WJEC have made the A-level course similar to the GCSE course. In many ways, the exams follow the GCSE format. Of course, the skill level required and text complexity is higher. Unit 1 requires pupils to study 2 texts, Jane Eyre and A Streetcar Named Desire. Together, these will be examined in a 2-hour exam at the end of Year 12. In Unit 2, you will be asked to analyse and compare the work of 2 modern poets. This will be another 2-hour exam, and that is the AS course. You will be taught by 3 different teachers in 8 lessons a fortnight. Google Classrooms are used to organise, communicate and share resources. If you continue with the subject, you will study 3 more units in Year 13. Unit 3 is poetry. Unit 4 is Shakespeare's King Lear. And Unit 5, which is the only coursework in the A-level. English literature is a challenging subject. A willingness to work independently, reading and researching long and challenging texts is a requirement of the course. If you are willing to put in the spade work, you will be fully supported to fulfill your potential. This A-level will help you develop high-order reading and communication skills that will be useful to you for the rest of your life.